March 21st, 2015. It seems like it just doesn't want to stop snowing. I'm here at the beach in Norwalk, Connecticut, southwest corner. That's the Long Island Sound. Got half a foot of snow yesterday. And it's snowing again this morning. It's just relentless. Winds are calm. And it's a snowy landscape. March 22nd, 2015. This is 2 days after the 7-inch snowstorm that we had. Well, technically, a day after, because another 1.5 inches fell yesterday morning. A coastal storm actually was closer to the coast than anticipated, so it dropped. It's snowing for 3 hours. But after that, the sun came out, and all you heard was a stream of water in the gutters. Everything melted off the roof. The paths I shoveled, obviously, all melted, and we lost about a 3-inch snowpack. Let me show you. This was all snow covered. This was all snow covered. But obviously, we have still snow on the ground. Officially 4-inch snowpack as of 8 a.m. this morning. That was a few hours ago. But you can see that was all snow covered. That was about half a foot of snow. That's all gone. The sun just totally melted it off. So we're almost back to where we was before the 7-inch snowstorm that we had a couple days ago. But it's I just did a comparison pictures of 2013 and 14, showing that by mid-March, I'm usually tilling the garden, turning the soil, just cleaning things up and being outside and doing some landscaping, but not this year. This year's different. It's the latest year that we had here near the Connecticut coast. You see, that's pretty deep, but obviously that's where I put a lot of the path snow. But yeah, this is still going, relentless, and temperatures are struggling past 30s today with sunny skies. Where's that sun? And tonight we're gonna drop in the teens. All right. tomorrow we'll struggle past 30s again, but Thursday we're gonna hit 50s, and 50 is actually normal now. You can see. 4 inches. And this area gets a little bit of sun, a little bit of shade. Right now it just went behind the clouds, but yeah, here we are heading into April. We're at the end of March. April's next week, and snow's still hanging around. This is January snow that's still under here. Only 4 days in the last 2 months, the max temperatures have been above normal. There's a stat for you.